Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are going to see how we can use Snowpipe to ingest the data into Snowflake automatically. Okay, so last session we have seen how we can create the external bucket. So I'm just running it again. I'm creating one external bucket. Okay, so my stage is created. Let me check what whole data I have in that. So ls at the rate my stage. Okay, so I have one employee emp.csv file is there, and there is another zip file, so I'm just using this file. Okay, so the second step, how we can load the data into any table. So we need the copy into command. So copy into employee from my stage and the file name. Okay, so before that, let me show you what is the data we have in our employee table. So select star from employee. So there is no data. Now let's load the data into the table using the copy into command. Okay, so copy executed with 0 file processed. Okay, that's a good part. Okay, why there is no file processed? Even we can see there is some data. Okay, how we can see that data? Let me show you that as well. So select star from this stage, select emp.csv. Let me show you star one, oh sorry, $1, $2, $3. So these dollars are basically the anchor for the column names. Okay, all right, select 1 2 3 4, the $1. Okay, we can see there is some data. Okay, 10 rows are there in this one, but still it is not loaded into the my employee table, although I run this statement. Okay, you can see it again now. So the reason is because in our last session we have processed the same file. Okay, so Snowflake keep tracks the it maintains the metadata which all file it has already processed, so it is not going to process that file again. So this is one of the best feature where it is avoiding the duplicacy automatically. Okay, even though the file is present, you are running this explicitly, this command, but you will not be able to load the data. So what we can do, let me create this table again. So create table employee1 as employee1 like employee. All right, so employee1 is created. I am loading the data into employee1 now. So let's see, I'm running this statement. Okay, yeah, now you can see 10 rows are added. Okay, and this like statement is just create the use the structure of this table, and it will create another table. Okay, so 10 rows are added into this table. We can see in employee1 what is the data. We can see we have 10 rows here. Okay, okay, right, so this part is clear. So now we come to the main topic, that is what is Snowpipe. Okay, so Snowpipe is nothing but it's a data pipeline we are creating from the external stage to the Snowflake, where it is loading the data automatically into the table. Okay, and using the copy into command. So we are going to use the same command exactly. Okay, so what could be our create pipeline statement? Okay, so the create pipe statement is very simple. Create pipe name. Okay, there is one feature we need to give, the or the property, the auto ingest equal to true. Auto ingest equal to true means if we are setting this property, Snowflake will automatically load the data. Okay, and how we can configure it, I will also explain you that. Okay, so create pipe name auto ingest equal to true as this copy statement. Okay, so we are creating a Snowpipe on top of this copy statement. That's it, we are not doing anything else. So you can see here, create pipe, the pipe name I'm giving, auto ingest equal to true as copy into this employee1 table. Okay, from where? from this stage. Okay, so I'm giving this stage here. You can also give this one. Okay, so whatever the files are available in this stage, it will going to load it. Okay, so let's create this pipe. All right, so our pipe is created. We can see show pipe. Okay, sorry, show Snowpipe. Unsupported feature. Sorry, show pipes. All right, so we can see there is one pipe. Okay, this is the definition of pipe, and this is one interesting thing. You can see the notification channel. Okay, so this is the notification channel where we need to notify to this Snowpipe the file is available, and it can auto ingest the file into Snowflake. Okay, so how we are using this notification channel, and when how we can set up this part into AWS, I will also show you that today. To set up the auto ingestion into the Snowpipe, we need to configure the AWS notification. So let's go back. Okay, so when we are running this Snowpipe command, we will get one notification channel, and this is the ARN number. Okay, AWS resource number. So this is one unique number, and this is the SQSQ. Okay, you can see SQS. So I'm just copying it. Okay, and let's see this pipe we have created on table 1. Is there any data? No, there is no data. Okay, so now let's move to the AWS console. In AWS console, we are in this bucket where we have created the stage. Go to the properties. Okay, you will see this bucket. There is no file as of now. Go to the properties and go to this event notification. Okay, event notification means whenever any event is happening with this S3 location, we can send the event, or we can notify this event to any other resource as well. Okay, so I'm just giving notify pipe. Okay, yes, so suffix is optional, but we will be having CSV file, and we need to just keep the CSV file data into it and no any other data files. So we are giving whenever there is any CSV file, all object create event. Okay, so whenever there is any create event happening with the suffix of CSV, what you need to do, go down. Okay, we need to choose the destination. So we have known, right, the SQSQ is there on the Snowpipe, so we need to choose the SQSQ and enter the SQS this ARN number. Okay, that is all you need to do. Okay, so let me give you one more time. Event name, we can define any name. The suffix, what will be the suffix of your files which you are going to load, and then the event on which we need to notify the Snowpipe. Okay, you can choose only put as well here, but I'm keeping all these events here. And the last part is the destination. Whenever this is happening, like any event is happening in the S3 bucket, what we need to do, so with the create event, we need to notify the SQSQ with this which is available on this ARN. So I am saving these changes. Okay, so my this notification is set up already. Okay, now just quickly check, is there any data in our Snowpipe? Oh, sorry, on our table? No, there is no data. Okay, so let's upload the data into this bucket location. So I'm going to add file. I'm just adding the first employee table. Okay, I am just uploading it. So you can see the file is uploaded here. Okay, this EMP file is available here. Let's check in our table whether any data or not. Okay, there is no data. We need to wait for some time. Okay, because from AWS this S3 bucket to Snowpipe, it takes some time. Okay, it takes sometimes 1 minute. Okay, so let me refresh it again. There is no data. Okay, so we will wait for some more time and see whether we are getting the data or not. Okay, and this Snowpipe, as we already know, this is using the copy command, and it keeps track. If we it has already processed that file, it is not going to process it again. Okay, let me refresh it now. Yes, you can see 10 rows are added here. Okay, that means our Snowpipe is working absolutely fine. Okay, let's test it on another file. I am going to add another file here, and we have seen we have just only 10 data there. Okay, and you can see the byte is changed. That means there is little bit change I have made in this file. I am just uploading it again. Click on the upload. So this file is already uploaded here just now. Okay, our Snowpipe is in place, notification is in place, everything is in place, but still we have 10 rows. Why? Because it will take some time to load the data into this table. Okay, so we need to wait a little bit. Okay, and I'm not stopping this video because I want to show you like how the data is loading and how much time it will take to load the data from when you upload it until the you can see that in the table. Okay, all right, you can see 20 rows are available here. Okay, so this is how the Snowflake is setup is done. You can see the data is auto ingesting. I will be sharing one Medium document where I have listed down all these steps. You can also refer that document to load the data into Snowflake using the Snowpipe. All right, thank you for today. Thank you for subscribing my channel. Keep like and comment on my videos. If you want any help or you have any question, you can post on the comment section. Thank you. Have a good day.